Hello and welcome to Simple French Cooking. My name is Francois and today we're in summertime mode, and what I mean by that is I don't like cooking inside my house. It's too freaking hot outside, so I want simple dishes that are easy to prepare, that have lots of flavor. I can cook outside, usually on my grill. So today I'm going to teach you how to make two different chicken dishes from the same chicken. The first dish I'm going to teach you is a grilled chicken breast with a preserved lemon and cumin and espelette pepper butter just basted all over the top. Super juicy and delicious. You're gonna love that one. The second dish I want to teach you is a spin on the old classic Greek chicken. So join us today as I teach you these two chicken dishes. So in previous videos, I've already shown how to break down a chicken, so I'm just going to do it really quick. I'll post a link to how to bone a chicken if you need more detailed instructions. So basically, we're going to cut the wings off. And I'm going to use the dark meat for the grilled chicken Greek style, and I'm going to use just the breast for the other dish. That's it, and be sure to save your chicken carcass to make chicken stock. I'll also post a link to that down in the description below. Alright, so the first preparation we're going to make is going to be the preserved lemon, cumin, and espelette pepper butter. So we're going to take about 1 stick of soft butter and just put it in a bowl. You could do this in your food processor if you like, but it's easy enough to do. Alright, and then we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of espelette pepper. We're going to add about 2 teaspoons of cumin, about 1 teaspoon of herbs de Provence. Let's just mix that up really well. You know, and already this is just smelling so delicious. I love this combination of spices. Alright. Now, next we have our preserved lemons. Now, I've had this jar sitting in my house for a long time, and you know, to be honest, preserved lemons last forever. They're packed in so much salt, you never have to worry about botulism or anything like that. And I'm going to take about half a lemon. If you'd like a recipe for how to preserve your own lemons, I'll also post a link to that in the description below. And so basically, I just want to remove any seeds we have in here, and we'll flatten that out a bit, and then we're just going to chop this preserved lemon up fine, and I'm using about half a lemon. All right, let's just add that into the butter, give it a good mix. All right, that is delicious. Alright, now to get the chicken breast ready, these are what is called airline chicken breasts. What I'm going to do is cut the wings off, and then I think I'm going to do this without the skin. I mean, you could leave the skin on if you like. Okay, now that we've trimmed up our chicken breast, if you look at the chicken breast, you might notice that one side is thicker and the other side is really thin. It's not a big deal to cook the chicken just like this. I've done it 1,000 times. I'm sure you have too. But if you want the chicken to cook quicker and a little bit more evenly, what you need to do is put it in between 2 pieces of plastic wrap. And then if you have a mallet, you take your mallet and pound it. If you don't have a mallet, you could use the flat side like of a large knife and just smack it down like this. So we're just gonna pound on the thicker side. We're just gonna pound on the thicker side until the thick side is the same thickness as the thin side. That is a tongue twister. Try saying that really quick. Perfect, that's it. Now it's all set for the grill. All right, the next dish I'm gonna show you how to prepare is a lemon and oregano Greek style chicken. And we're gonna start out by chopping 2 cloves of garlic. And you just want a rough chop, it doesn't matter, you don't have to be too precise. Everybody in my family loves garlic, so chunks are always welcome. All right, I'm gonna throw the garlic in a bowl. We'll put about 2 tablespoons or so of olive oil. Alrighty. About 1 teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon of espelette pepper, about 1 teaspoon of herbes de Provence. Then we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, and I add about 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and that's the secret ingredient. You want to mix that up a little bit, and then let's juice a lemon. I'm going to drop that in there as well. If you wanted to, you could take a microplane and zest the lemon before you juiced it. That would add a lot of extra flavor. Alright, then we're just going to take all of our chicken pieces and just drop them into the marinade here. And once again, I'm going to cook this on a grill. It takes about 45 minutes on the grill. You want to do it over a medium heat and make sure you turn it often so that you don't burn the chicken. You could also put this in a buttered pan in the oven and cook it for about 45 minutes to an hour or until the chicken's fully cooked. And I would let this marinate for a couple hours before you eat it. You just want the flavors to kind of mix in there and get in there real good. All right, let's go out to the grill. Now get your grill nice and hot. I prefer charcoal, but if you use gas, that's fine. Just get it super hot. Brush your pounded chicken breast with a little bit of the spiced butter on both sides. Let's just drop these guys right on the hottest part of the grill.